Welcome to all mechanical engineering student for the engineering drawing lecture on the topic auxiliary view. Myself Professor Sinde DV. Now we have to draw this problem. The procedure to draw this problem, first I read the problem. A figure shows the front view and left hand side view of an object. Draw the given views. Project an auxiliary top view looking in x direction. Now this is your left hand side view, this is the front view of the block. Here are the material that the material is removed, and this is the outer shape of the block, and this is the inclined surface of which we have to draw the true shape here, and this is the regular surface. Now this is the figure. Here I have shown the three-dimensional figure how it is cut. This is the shape which is inclined surface shape. This is the regular shape which we see the circular part and hexagonal, semicircular and hexagonal here. But here the length is increased because it is inclined surface. As if the block is taken, I have taken the section here and I have to draw this figure here. This is the shape here. I have taken the section. Now first I have started with the left hand side view here. I have drawn the first two center line here. That is the total length I have taken from here to here is 75 mm. Now this distance which I have taken here, first I will draw this distance. This is the 15 mm. This is also the 15 mm. And the circle, what is the radius of the circle? First I will draw the semicircle of radius 25, then extend this 15 mm in the above the center line. Then I have taken this end to end distance is 75 mm. So 37.5 mm at this side, 37.5 mm this side. I have drawn one line, projection line here. What is the total length from this end to this end? That is, they have given the total length is 50 mm. I have taken the 50 mm length and I have drawn here the 30 mm, 15 mm at on the either side of this. Next, they have taken, they have given the 45 degree, I have marked 45 degree on both the sides, and I have completed the side view, left hand side view. It is the most important to draw, how to draw the question. First, draw the center line, 25 mm radius, circle, semicircle, 15 mm above. Total length they have given 75 mm, 37 mm, 37.5 mm on the other side. The vertical distance is 15 mm, this distance is 30 mm. I have taken the protractor 45 degree where it will be matched, that will be your side view. Next I have taken the projections here to draw the front view. So I have drawn this line first. What is the total length? Total length is 100 mm. I have taken the 100 mm here, and at 45 degree I have drawn the line where it will be intersect. That will be your front view. Now I have given the name to the internal points of the object 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the side view. Similarly, I have transferred this name in the front view. Now this will be your CL line. Okay, this will be your CL line, and from each point I have drawn a 90 degree. I have taken the projector, I have taken a 90 degree, that is the projection, that is your right side from the east side. From the each point I have drawn it. Next I have drawn the C dash L dash line here. This line is represented here, that is the inclined here. I have named it as this is the CL and this is the C dash L dash. Now I have taken a distance, horizontal distance here from center line, that is CL dash, to 1 and 7 it is same. From 2 and 3 is same. And I have marked here from that point 2 and 6. Next, similarly I have taken the distance, this horizontal distance. I will come here and I will put the metallic pointer of compass here and mark on the either side. Now the point 4 is on CL line. Here we have to mark 4 on the CL line and draw the freehand curve here that will show the inner part. Now we will move for the outer part. I will have to name it. Here I will named it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, E and F. I have taken the distance on the either side of the CL. I have marked it here, A and F I have marked here. I am marking now here B and E. Here I have came that distance here. This will be the point B and this will be point E. Now I have taken C and D distance. I will come here. I will move in this fashion here. I will mark it here. Here they have shown the marking point. Thus they have completed. Now take a scale here because it is a this surface is a flat surface and I have to join the points A, B, C, D, E, F with the scale. Join 1 and A and 7 and F. This is your true shape, that this is your auxiliary view which we have created. We have drawn the auxiliary inclined plane because this plane is inclined to HP. Now this is the auxiliary view and this is a looking way, view, that is at 45 degree we are looking perpendicular and we are drawing that object. Here I have given the name, this is auxiliary view, left hand side view, and this is the front view. Thank you.